I love this woman's enthusiasm, and I will second the fact that teenagers are really great. And I was looking forward to having teenagers. And in a year and a half, I will have 4 of them in my house. But also, not all teenagers are the same, and they can be very hard. I think it might depend more on the personality of your child. My oldest, for instance, decided to start selling vape in middle school. He stole our debit card and Ubered around town selling vape to all his friends. In the middle of the night, we found $400 in his closet. Half of them were in $2 bills. My second child had panic attacks so bad that we actually had to take her out of school. She was crying in the hall because she couldn't handle the fact that her teacher was mad at her for being a little bit tardy to class. And from their personalities growing up, I'm not surprised by any of this. I am pretty sure that my 4th child is going to be a dream and be so easy to get through high school. And I think that my youngest is going to be a little bit of a nightmare. But you know what? That's totally okay. But my oldest child is now overselling vape. He's almost 18, and we have the best discussions. We talk about the deepest, most interesting things. And my second child is such a delight. I just love her. She is so creative and so fun to just be with. We'll have to see about the others. So I guess what I'm saying is that it's both. It's both. They are freaking amazing and fun to be with, but they also can be super hard. So let's just be okay with both.